Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me. And today I want to unbox my microphone, my PC microphone actually. I think it works for PC and phone. And according to the description, I'm waiting a talk. So I want to unbox them nicely as it take be, though I do small research on them. And I kind of pray like this. So I'm actually excited to see what's inside and how it will take work. Yeah, so this is pretty kind of bit cheap because I get them for I think the total package, both the shipping and everything, is around like approximately $50. So I just hope it's worth it. So make I start to the cut arm. Ooh. So that's so bad. Mm, man, it drop. Look at the beauty. It makes sense. So this one are the cover. So this is the manual. The manual is this. You can see it. Um, this manual. The manual is written in English, so it's gonna be cool. So, you can actually use it on PC and on phone, which is really very okay. So it makes sense. I'll come back to this. And on the box, you get like the cord. Gets like cord. So like a cord, like PC to phone. Yeah, which is cool. PC to phone. Oh yeah, PC to the microphone, I guess. And then this package. I think that's all for this. There is nothing else here. Oh, I see something here. I used it too. Oh, this is cool. Yes, I can also see here too. Wow. So have to okay, this one are for like all this iPhone of older generation that's I think up to like iPhone 13. The normal iPhone, you know, iPods because this is the type C mounts, like I can work with my iPhone. So yeah, pretty much that's that. And then it has like a USB cord where the like the type C type of mouse goes, and then this is like the headset. I have my headset so I can actually plug like this and can also be listening to it. And then this is it, the beauty of it, you know, like this. Wow, kind of makes sense though. So on this you have like you have the mutes here, the mutes. You have the mic plus and on. You have the headset and you have the echo. So I'll try them. I see. Yeah. So I'll try with my PC. Let me plug this one here. Just so think this will go here. this should go here. Yeah. And then it's come here. And I like this. This is really like very stable. Like very stable. Like it's really very cool. You know, stay like this. Then you have the power cord. Do you want to restart tonight? All right. So, where I go test. Let me see. The mic don't on. So this is adjustment. Hello. So echo. All right. So let me see. What can I? Let me see what I can do here. Let me see. Wait. Let me see. I just want to try. Let me also put this cover. Oh, the microphone vibe. All right. So let me go to this audio recording. Okay, so I have to select the external one. Let me select that. And oh, okay, it's already showing like the boom, 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 boom thing. So let me start recording. All right, so this is me recording, and I think I can see the it's showing. It's really showing. Like if you see the sound, you can see as they go up, they go down. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is testing 1 2 1 2 1 2. Yeah. So that's, let me see. Let's talk for a while and see what's up. Recording. All right. So this is me recording, and I think I can see the it's showing. Uh, it's really showing. Like if you see the sound, you can see as they go up, they go down. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is testing 1 2 1 2 1 2. Yeah. So that's, let me see. Let's stop for a while and see what's up. Wow. I'm really kind of impressed. Like I'm really impressed. Like, yeah. So this is actually like very good for the money. It's really quite, it's not so cheap, $50. I think approximately both shipping and everything. So when I was buying it, I was just skeptical that maybe it may not work. And one of the reasons why I decided to get this is because I want to be doing more of like showing you guys like practical way of doing something, maybe sharing my laptop and everything. So I discovered that if I dey use my laptop to dey do voiceover, they very faint, and maybe noise fee also interfere. Like for example, my neighbor, maybe once in a while I hear their voice, and maybe the mic, they inbuilt like microphone on the MacBook, they pick them up. So maybe that's why I just decided to get this. And this actually gets like voice cancellation. So I think it's a pretty good one. So I'm going to take my time and go through the manuals and, get more detailed information. But so far, it's pretty doing everything I want. And I'll also take and try um, this, my phone. It should work. Yeah, it should. Yeah, because I think it should work. I don't I don't want to disconnect this. Yeah. Okay, let me just see. Let me make I try whether it go fit right now. So I'm gonna hold on for now. Let me see if I'm gonna try this. So the potter, this one no size up, like it's not sizing itself. because it's not turning on. No, it's not turning on. So I think this one is, the mount is different. Oh, okay. All right. Brought. So it's a headphone. I want to believe it's working. I may not really know right now until I think I play this. Just hold on, make I play this last part, make I just confirm for my side whether I did talk. And yeah, so I've removed this my mic, and I want to believe say this one they work because the light is actually showing here. So let me check and let me cut this video and then continue it and see. Hold on. Yeah, I'm back. So I go tell now categorically say the microphone is working even with my iPhone, and I'm super excited. Yeah, because I had to cut the video and then try to play the video, the ending part where I changed. You can see I removed the microphone like this. Psh. And I can believe you're hearing me, right? So this is pretty good for the money, and it's pretty good. Like it's good, although not be like wireless, but it's good. Not like this is something you use indoors and maybe more with PC because that was actually why I got that, and it's pretty good. So I think this is cool. This is really cool, and I'm pretty excited about it. Gee. It's blurry. So yeah. So if you're looking at getting something like this, I think this is really cool. You should, and it's quite really very cheap. And if it's cheap, I think if you can do the work, there's no point spending like a huge sum of money because I actually see other ones because nobody say like I be radio like radio station where I need very expensive or like it was pretty very expensive, and I was really scared because the margin you know it's good. I'm excited. All right, guys. I think I have to end the video now. And if this is your first time of seeing my video, please do not forget to subscribe. Usually on this channel, I try to post videos about maybe generally me, travel, lifestyle, and I also try to give information about people who want to study abroad. And you can also go through the video sections. I have like more of like playlists. So select what you're interested in, whether you want to check about the lifestyle of me, or you want to get information about how to study abroad. Hit the subscribe button, man, and yeah, subscribe, turn on the notification, share. Goodbye. Peace out. Thanks.